Graph Theory, Example 2. The floor plan resembles one of our on-campus student housing apartments at ICC. For simplicity, I did not include the closets. Draw a graph to represent the floor plan. Let a vertex represent each room or the outside. The doorways are to be represented by edges. So it looks to me like we have, so it appears that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rooms, and the outside 6. Clearly we will want some sort of edge to the outside. So let's draw our vertices. And then the next thing we'll want to do is label what those vertices are. So I have, we'll call it bathroom 1. I have bedroom 1. I have kitchen living. I have bathroom 2. I have bedroom 2. And then I have outside. Okay, so let's consider bathroom 1 first. There is only one doorway from the bathroom 1 to bedroom 1. So I will just draw one edge representing that doorway. Now let's look at bedroom 1. I should have two edges emanating from bedroom 1. I've already got one taken care of, and I need another edge from the bedroom to kitchen living. Bathroom's taken care of. Kitchen living should have 1, 2, 3 edges emanating from it. We already have kitchen living to the bedroom, so we have kitchen living to bedroom 2 and kitchen living to outside. So I had 1, 2, 3 doorways. Do I have 1, 3 edges emanating from kitchen living? Yes. Okay, let's look at bathroom 2. It has a doorway just into bedroom 2. So I have that taken care of. It should have only one edge emanating from bathroom 2. Bedroom 2 should have 2 doorways going from bedroom to the bathroom and the kitchen living, which looks like we already have that taken care of. And outside should only have one edge leading out to it, and it looks like we're taking care of there.